Hey guys, this is Neetu and welcome back to my channel Neetu Bansal Official. I hope that you all are doing great guys. So guys, today again I am up with a review video. The video is about this healing clay. This is an Indian healing clay. This is from the Aztec Secret. So guys, this has just one main ingredient, that is calcium bentonite, and it is 100% natural. And I have been using this clay from quite some time. I think I have used this 3 times and the results are pretty amazing on my skin. That's why I thought of sharing my review with you guys so that you can also be benefited by the amazing properties of this healing clay. This is a kind of facial guys. So guys, if you want to see the review, then please continue watching. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so as to get notified. The packaging is quite simple. It comes in a white colored plastic jar and it is in the powdered form, as you can see guys, and it has almost everything mentioned on the packaging itself. The price of this clay is rupees 1440 and the quantity is 454 grams, which is approximately equal to 500 grams, and the price is not so high if compared with the quantity, and the shelf life is 3 years long. The name of the clay is Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, world's most powerful facial. It is for deep pore cleansing, 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. So guys, that's it about the packaging. So guys, what happened is that I have been facing some more acne issues due to my oil intake and due to some monthly problems. So I thought of trying out some new clay, and that's why I came across this healing clay from Amazon, and I got this from Amazon. This is available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, from Purple, and they have their own website also, and the link is www.aztecsecret.in. I will provide you all the links in the description box down below so that you can try it out if you want so. So guys, the results are pretty amazing on my skin, so I thought of sharing with you guys all. It is in the smooth powder form, just like the Multani Mitti, or you can say Fuller's Earth. And this is a mix it yourself or customized mask. Means if your skin is dry, you can use aloe vera gel with it. If your skin is oily, you can mix some tea tree oil with it. And the pack itself says that you should use equal amount of apple cider vinegar or water to mix it, and you can apply it on your face. If your skin is sensitive, then you should not use more than 5 minutes, and if your skin is normal or dry type, then you can use 15 to 20 minutes and you can wash it off with the plain water. Means it is a customized mask that you can prepare according to your skin type or according to your choice. And the second thing is that it is a unisex product, means any person of any age, be it a boy, a girl, a man or woman, or any person in your family can easily use this product for body detox, for facial, on your face, skin, neck, for the foot socks, blackheads, whiteheads, pigmentation, acne marks, pimple marks, and what not. I am taking a non-metal bowl as the clay pack suggests, and now adding 2 teaspoons of clay with the equal amount of ACV, that is apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar into it. And now I am gonna add some rose water. The pack is sufficient to make 10 to 15 facials at least. And now some tea tree oil, as I am getting pimples these days. 4 drops of tea tree oil into it and mixing it well to create a smooth paste. Now the paste is ready to apply. I just love this clay face pack. 100% natural, sun dried, no additive, no fragrance, no animal testing. I have applied it all over my face and neck, and after 10 minutes it dries out on my skin. I can feel a tightening or pulling sensation. Now I am gonna remove it by washing with water. Here you can see that my stubborn acne marks has been reduced a bit, which is just great. There can be slight redness of the skin and it's just normal, and it will disappear in some amount of time, that is 30 minutes max. Now we will discuss the pros and cons of this Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. Now coming to the pros. Pro number 1 is it has just one main ingredient, that is 100% natural, and that is calcium bentonite. And number 2 is it removes all the oil and impurities from your skin and it purifies your skin. And number 3 is it removes whiteheads, blackheads and all of the dead skin cells from your skin. And number 4 is it is used for anti-aging. And number 5 is it cleans and minimizes pores. And number 6 is it is a unisex product. There is no age limit. Any boy, girl of any age can use this product. And number 7 is it is a multi-purpose product. It is a multi-purpose facial clay. It can be used for facials and it can be used for body detox, for insect bites, for removing dead skin cells, for removing blackheads, whiteheads and what not. And guys, it has no animal testing, means it is not used on or it is not tested on animals. And now coming to the cons, it has just one con, means you cannot use it daily. You should use it once in a week or max 5 days a week. So guys, that was my review about this Indian healing clay from the Aztec Secret. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you did, then give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye bye.